Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Mnawegana nkulamusako nkubuuzaako gwe wenna buli omu waali abali mitala y'amayanja abatwabira ku Facebook, YouTube mwena mbalamusako namwe nabali mu nsi ya Uganda ng'oli mu ofisi yo oli mu ddiro nkimanyi emirimu gyazzemu kuba gikola era nga buli omu emikono kati emirimu agikwasa bukwaku. Mbebaza mwenna beekumbire kwesti minoga nti kanfisa kadde mbenga ngwera program the sharp top novuga mutambala emindi yatusedda waali mu nnyumba mutabani w'omugenzi Yohana mimi mama mole na matovu mama nkula musako nga nkusabira munga berenga ayongera okuba nti akujjanjaba tali nkatage manya era nga nange natusedda wendi onaku zomezi 11 omwezi ogwajja mu mwaka 2022 ni watu tulina okubanga tutematema ensonga bisambula mu wiki nayenga twabasubiza okuba tugenda kuba n'okubanga tumaliriza ensonga y'okuba ya sports era nga ngenda kusaba Doni watwale bifaananyi by'emmotoka ey'omukulu gye yaweebwa jja kuba ogitulaga mu African Cup
emipiira gifudde
empira abantu basamba
omupiira baguyingizamu ebyobufuzi
nze nga ngamba nti mukwano gw'omagogo yagwonoonye
ate mulindwa gwe mwakuba akatabo nakawandiika mulindwa nampa emmotoka
kituufu motoka nagirabyeko nebifaananyi netubitwala simanyi obadde biteeseteese totunda otereka buteresi
twategeeragana shiriki yange bwegendera twategeeragana ne mulindwa ojja kufuna ssente ate tugula endala ekyo kirabo
emmotoka yiyo nga ku screen emmotoka nga bwogiraba yeeyo
nabagamba nti wusipa kitongole kibi nnyo because wusipa has the powers to dictate who is who. Amawulire ga wano gayina ekyo tuyita name calling oba baptism in propaganda mavari keruchamuzi they usually smart mukulu
abatugobera ku TV emmotoka jala ku screen yeyo mmoloka omukulu gye yawa Mzee Tamale
yigirita 15
years ago ne okuuma mmoloka ng'ekyali
ekirabo munno kyakuwadde ne bwe ba shooting oli yagikuwobanga tu buli lwogende ewo kigenderamu.
Yes.
You don't know public relations. I've maintained that vehicle yajigula ne kadi yayo najimba.
Teri kuuza mbale sima kadi tugende mu maaso.
Nti baani aboononye
omupiira mu nsi ya Uganda.
WISPA ye namba emu. Is a strong organization, influencing leadership, ba mafia bagiyingiramu. WISPA bali batta abantu for organize Masaka. WISPA yatwala sente mu fika salama.
Na ala tugenda biyo NGF ngewoninga abantu tujja kujja wao
kali nkugamba another deadly group in our soccer comprises of the betting agencies. They are deadly everywhere they exist like scavengers. They don't mind about the game. Their only motive is money. In developed countries, betting companies are under strict control. But in gullible societies, societies cowards, they are not subjected to strict monitoring. They can pocket inverted commas everybody, including ministers, Uganda Revenue Authority, and those who would monitor them. Take for example, some media outlets that run paid for betting adverts. They promote these chance games 24 hours a day as if they are a full-time employment. It is common for newspapers and FM radio stations to hire bet experts in inverted commas called the Akadirisa to guide on how to spot winning teams, which is a lie. How can a hyena become a market master? How can a bet company which needs money give accurate advice to those who want to win against it? This is the gullibility of the highest order, and the journalists involved are just idiots, and they are stupid, and the stupidity of the highest order. Anybody who believes in this is a fool. Ntibokedde kuteremu akadiso owangule ne baleta ba experts, so-called experts. Awo kakati yo coach teyali taddemu gumanyiiki awe kati yakoze ensobi n'alikoze stupidity. All of these sports good programs are paid for. Kati awo ejenfudu kati awo gonde teeka wano these are paid sente bazikimawa
bazijeri mu
betting babagula nenkugamba I'm continuing hitting the bet companies.
Okay.
How do you expect your co-wife who doesn't want you to produce hair for your husband identify a gynecologist for you to produce his sons? Thus, whenever you find uncontrolled betting companies, football cannot grow. They are capable of influencing soccer results through fixing matches and buying off players and coaches. How much do our players earn as wages and allowances? What stakes do they have for the good of the game? How do we protect them from our competitors ahead of big matches? The same factors affecting sports arrangement, management, and players are prevalent among prominent coaches. The coaches have been cited in fixture scams at the expense of their nzesewunyi ndi n'omusajja wa mani yagenda gundi yagwa mani
yagwa Ferguson
it happened to City Council. Immediately Bidandi stopped coaching them. Yagwa Bidandi was an expert.
Okay.
City Council was winning cups after cup as Bidandi was the coach. At one time Bidandi spent most of his time doing his time nga coaching Cranes.
Okay.
Ini yagano okuwagira abayekera kyaligonza namuweereza akapapula tindi wano mu nsiko mpeereza ssente n'abagamba yabatumira mwana nze siyeekera kyaligonza akugamba mu kitabo kye titwadde abaana babiri ne tubalekawo ne tugenda abaana baffe baali surrounded we are forced to move during the day.
Okay.
Tibidandi n'abawaayo kateega yakugamba nange naliwa kabalagala nga neekwesa ow'omuntu ne mupeereza Bidandi akabaluwa nnyambe n'agamba nti awandiike n'empandiika timba ndi awo ku balukoni ng'omwana akomyewo omuto eyayogera ankaze n'abasirikale kateeka yagamba nadduka mu balukoni neneekwekawo kakati Bidandi bwe yategeera yawekera bayinza
okumutta
Muwanga n'amutwala Luzira Looja.
Oh.
He spent most of his time in Luzira Looja.
Okay.
Kati nkugamba soccer, war and politics and business bifaanagana.
Soccer, omupiira, olutalo ne business
bifaanagana. Nkugamba. There are several similarities between soccer, war, politics and business. All central concepts are affecting millions of people. I often use similes to illustrate my points to the ordinary folks. They are very strong communication tools for message delivery, especially to the rural educated societies. They are words in everyone use. It is in this vein that I often tell my FM radio programs audiences that a loss is unpredictable. If a patient admitted in hospital, before you visit him to see him, you will encounter two conflicting situations. You imagine to either finding him dead or still alive. We call this the inoculation theory. You must prepare yourself for either good news, bad or good. This is why there are mortuaries in all of the big hospitals.
Yes.
Genda ng'omanyi.
Either
omusanga
oba
obutamusanga.
Bwe kiri.
Toyina garanti nti ojja musanga.
Ojja musanga eva ajja kubanga mulamu.
Era bw'osanga obuuza agenze kunaaba nti nedda ali mu ggwanika.
Ali mu ggwanika.
That's why these bazungu, every big hospital has a mortuary to tell you that some are cured, some die.
True.
And even a cannibal cannot come and retrieve a day. You pay the bills.
Kituufu.
Kakati nkugamba nti nze nkozesa nnyo obugero as a mass communicator. Kati ekyo kitegedde. Nkugamba the corpus, if in them were patient, you must understand that the corpses in the mortuary we are once patient.
Baliko abalwadde.
Previously undergoing medical treatment. This doesn't mean that the doctors failed their role because they are the same who save others. other lives. The same ideology is true of business, soccer, war, and politics. However shrewd a businessman is, she or he is mindful of either gaining a profit or incurring a loss in every transaction engaged. One businessman can profitable sell a commodity in the same city market that has others failed.
Bwechiri.
Bwe tuba tusoma marketing batugamba titugamba nga nti ebintu biri byo abantu tebakyagula. Look into another supermarket. Maybe we're still selling all the commodities which are expensive.
Yeah.
Maybe a new entrant has come in the market. Tugamba bugambi nti
tebikyatama bintu byagana.
Pamasuti amalungi tugajjawo.
Kituufu.
Ate wano mu Uganda tebalanga. You go to Britain mugende mulabe obuyumba obwedda bino bya window shopping byabayindi be babitwala mu Bulaaya. But you advertise these people mwabali ku TV singa muyina manufacturers nge Kenya singa ojja ne shooting eteereddwako nti esangibwa wano. Would be advertising.
Abantu tebagala kulanga munna.
Tebalina sente. Teri feasibility study gyotwala mu banka ngega nti nja kukola losses emyezi 6 tebakuwola. Teryakuwola ekitegeeza biri artificial. These are money lenders. That's why kati nkugamba. In war, a soldier must understand that he or she either kills first in order to survive enemy fire or be ready to pay with his own life. Likewise, in soccer, fans must bear in mind that their team can lose or win. A win is not automatically guaranteed, and that is the essence why soccer remains the most popular of all sports because of its unpredictability. Omupiira kasita okuteeka mu computer guba gufudde. Gulina okubeera mu errors ezo.
Technology.
These people don't know. One of the coaches, the history of cards, a coach was moving nayimirira ku bitaala. Ekya green ne kijja, ekya yellow ne kijja, ekya red ne kijja. Mwe mwava cards ezo ze bagaba.
Yellow ne red.
A coach
reserve.
Yes, he imagined. And we use these colors in football. In soccer.
Okay.
Eliminated the green one.
Red ne yellow.
Yabijja ku bitaala. What's a sports writers? Where did you start? Nkugamba. It is this unpredictability. Bw'oba olina entunno tolaba mupiira. Omupiira gunyuma gwawedde. Okitegeera? Omupiira gukunyumira gwawedde.
Dipulenga noganga
bakuwangudde dda mind yo nekola ki
nekakkana nesetulinga.
If you are good chicken hearted tolaba mupiira.
Ona pressure.
Yes, ofa. Okay. Nkugamba the day soccer will become less tense is the day it will lose value, and the day it will become emotionless is the day it will become less attractive. Hence, a great game of soccer is one of that combines all of the above aspects. Therefore, the Uganda versus Zambia match was a great game. It combined all of the factors of tension, emotion, and unpredictability up to the last minute. In that sense, rather than move on. You did not have inoculation. Ababukedde bakubanga ababu ono abakipolopolo bwe banaamulabako ewabwe tebaliyo. African games used to travel with witches, especially in Nigeria.
Rwanda byajja waneeno okusoma ne Uganda
ne wano mu 80s eyalogeranga villa yasulanga wali kwa litamiira nga musajja mugolozi nga yalogera villa naye omusajja oli yali muzibu nnyo nga bw'aba agenda okugolola engoye tawulo tagiteeka ku mabega. Agiteeka wano n'atambula ng'akola bw'ati yali yabala omuloko wa villa. There was a time bafiira egindi bafiira ejjinja ab'ejjinja batta ente ne bagiteeka mu masaŋŋanzira bano ne balowooleza mu malogo n'ab'e Rwanda tujjukira akayibwa akajja ku Argentina Maradona. Yes, witches
ninga bikola
anti bikola anti buli omu abirina anti kakati buli omu aleese eddogo kati kitegeeza eddogo terikyakola. Yefu ebere Muganda supports federal Then the election factor shifts from federal to another to money. Pamwe namuli ba federal now. Ubongo akili wemba kubira. Kitange yatukuliranga 10 twaliyanga mitwe jangege. Hapo tunao. Ate buli muntu yenna ewanga alya mutwe gwangege.
Gikyalabikako munnaye kati giribo bagagge. Mitwe gyengege.
Bagenda ne bangamba omutwe gwangege gugula emitwalo 2 ne gwetaano ngugula.
Era gumune gusobola omutwe gwengege. Nega abangi batasobola omutwe gwangege.
Nkugamba nti move on to destroy that achievement. Uganda ought to pat their own backs and ever to consolidate and take it to another level. Like in war, business and politics, there is no easy or weak opponent.
Buli omu abeera tough.
Bugenda ne bagamba this is ekibinja ekya death. Tewali tiimu nnafu.
Group of death. Osanga ebigeza katiimu akabadde wansi
yakuba Germany. Greece teyatwalako European Cup.
Bungi nnyo.
Yes. Brazil bagikoledde newaabwe ekikopo
nekigiremu okutwala.
So there is no weak team.
Okay.
There is no weak country. Kakati kutuwe. Lagataka amenge ya ADF. The powerful UPDF. Emaze banga cheko.
Banga
lichali. Did walk over?
Aha.
Hey.
Ira macha sitana.
Yes.
The opponent mwa.
Wali wona abadanere kamwe nyosumu bene muteka kutaka. Tali disparity takola yaka. How can this man who sleeps in Zana defeat me? Me am not an international criminal suspect. That's what we intelligent. I followed this man. Yes, he got the money, privileged the money. From getting money to the richest person in Uganda. You don't know what is strange. That's ice cream. You will never remain with this. Ndimudani wakajiji aja kufuna bukaka bono nga kitawe ya inachi. Poverty is gravity, you go back to poverty. Waliwo bwafu obululiyo. Ekusika.
Kutumala manyi.
Muteri ngiyo.
Bakwira mu family enjako tujja kusaba buli baavu.
Poverty. Abatujoza abatunyo ku mitwe abatunyaddeko. If you come from a poor family, waliwo bwavu obululiyo.
Bonga buli musayi.
Nga buli musayi. Ano sanga fwe. Abayina olufuno. Tulita lufuno. Yes, lufuno. However much you suffocate me, I become harder. Baba de bagambi. Tumuyite lwaki ekyankwanzi adina usinge gundi ze dangling money. Never ngenda genda naye ni mutabani wa Kajiji. I was going to blow up. Mwandira bye kuko. Ngenda naye. Evumu aliliyo de wali galubindi.
Odogena na kabomu tachichi.
Is there anything that I cannot do? I can smash your head. That's why I have been avoiding them. I can give me the job of Catholic Kajiji. Museveni ampadde omulimu nemesi nali nkutta kasajja kaka busenga. There is a job in the new vision, 50 million. Is it money? Dignity.
Chitu.
Nali nkakwenyondo nkwasa omutumbu tumukunda abagamba. The president has given me a job. Mukanteka gwe nali nja kutta singa we bakadde wa Kajiji gwe. Nakulaba gwe.
Tugende maso n'ensonga ya.
Nabulaba konga bunyo obululumu buyinenga tozameni. Mwanda bakonga ndi muwafu mabulisi. Therefore, supporters to appreciate that there is no weak teams in soccer. There is no weak army in the world. The hitherto army of the superpower America was in the early 1990s humiliated by Ragataga militia in Somalia. Yet, the other Ugandan troops, a developing democracy with no comparable measures to the American army at all, has decisively defeated the Al-Shabaab militants in Somalia. In soccer, certain teams are described as underdogs, but it is such that they pull up surprises against the so-called giants. In politics, we have seen celebrated politicians losing to political novices. Poor candidates have succeeded, where rich fellows have tumbled. Mr. Tim Luanga, a serving minister in this government, was defeated by Moses Kabusu, a freelance journalist in 2011. Miyengo was defeated by his former driver.
Bwechiri.
Former driver.
Banji.
Powerful Sempija. People laugh at him in his Mizinga. He was deflated by a mechanic, a metal mechanic in Gindi. wanuwa erukayo sempijja buli lwamulaba yalaba ndabirwamu yakuba sempijja ne bwanabeera mu bizinga kasajja
kamuleka ku ttaka
kano kagundi ak'ebitanda akapanganga ekitanda kakuba maama wange Amelia politics, soccer and war
bifaanagana.
There is no weak team. Never. Oyinza okusanga ekitiimu nekikwesibako
kituufu.
Croatia yakuba Germany ne bagigoba neewa. Cameroon yakuba Germany ne bagigoba mukundi. There is no weak team. Never follow this parity army. Instead of this young man allowing me to get money, yasibanga nsibe. N'atamanya. Why didn't Museveni tell you to give me that money? Museveni wanted to destroy me. He wanted me to destroy you. That's what I have totally done.
It was deliberate.
Yerita Chibala. He must come and get money on my knees. Says Alawa again to Mumwesent, Empire Yendal. Yarita Gala Rugwe. Yarita Be. Total destruction, which I have done. The moment Museveni allowed you to be listed on the international ICC court, they don't reason. This way they don't reason. Why should Museveni allow a close relative to be indicted? Bali abantu 15 musambu lwaki abalala bajjamu gwe nakuleka
nosigalamu
jogoli kaluka saluka sinaka rubindi saluka gwe temumanyi petubakubira kwaloga I analyze the situation. If Museveni wanted to save this man, the initial list was 157. Why did he leave you there and tumwebase? Yabatamwa kajja kudduka ate no bakoze ensobi bagambye mu tebajja kgenda
lwaki
bagenda anti Museveni yabakubye yali bolorizinze covid byonna babadde babikola figures kakati tujja kgenda kakati bali bagambye tumwebaze yabadde ayina okgenda n'atagenda bamutaddeko bute ya $5 million
amukwata
ku mutumani gw'akajiji nayogera wali
$5 million
abadde amantalira wafe agenze kutunda Sangobbe ate okumanya akasajja Kasiru Sangobbe tugimanyi weeyita batwaliddemu n'ettaka ly'abantu. I told the other this yesterday I'm going to chase you and now I'm tempted now to stand again ngobono matama buku batwalira matama buku talina byayogera
asitse
busirisi nga abantu bewaffe baba bwenyabwe. I'm standing
26 okomawo.
Yes.
Mzaita mala langidide bili abiri mukaga abantu be mumulinda jja.
In business customers can reject food from a posh restaurant and flock one downtown. How many Ugandan city tycoons who struggle to secure space at Nalongo's place in Katwe? They leave the comfortable sofas in the big hotels to struggle for a seat on a timber bench. Another important factor that affects us positively or negatively in politics, war, soccer, and business is the decision making. We all always make decisions, but decision making is a very important process. In fact, it is a whole chapter in the political science.
Decision making.
Every decision is determined by the past, the future, experience, and it has a purpose. When Museveni first appoints you, Pete Kamya, as advisor Kampala nakujjayo, nakufuula aigigi, nga akimanyi ti sente za compensation mwazibira mulandi. Come back and kill.
Jango tereze biwasobya.
Bwe bakola mpaka.
Nti bampadde ngude
mu gufo. Is it reverse psychology or not?
Ngude mu gufo and celebrating.
Why does Museveni continue providing me with the security they are there?
Gwe bali.
Ono yepangira ku motoka yange, ajijemu amafuta n'enjirizayo tukuliyete baje mujjako. No sente baze mujjako. I create a contradiction for him because he is an arrogant man.
Yeah.
Akasisi katte enjovu. Enjovu kajiyingira
mukutu.
Negenda bene kijonna nefu. Enjovu lyonna bane nkwambula empale. Logic.
Okay.
Dikati ono omukazi bamujje mu mawulire. Nabagayita omukazi mulema Byencha. Byencha is saying you pay the woman called Namuli billions. Where is in Namuli and New Zealand? Atujje tukwate tukusirise mu mukwata omukozi babadde bamu bya police bya abadde bamu bedde egendi eri bamu bino kadduka na police nedduka buli gwe munalumba bajja bakuba.
Okay.
How can you silence somebody? Answer. This is a woman called Namuli. And
yes.
He inherited it from Muchi. He bought it from Muchi. Silence him. Programu zangu familia yakajiji eri kiroji kitaawa ali kutuma tumwekole noti tumwebase cholese mu familia yamu kaba kutwale otembe bakutandiko $5 million n'abasekale bebe nyine bajja muwanya yaganyo
kubona bagala ka center
bakoze ruling tetujja genda temujja genda somanya no gondi jali ola wa doctors tufone ebiwandiko mu medical gundi abasajja babasensera kasitamu 7 yabawayo 157 people mwina abalekayo nabali bakimanyizi singa yaya ayagala obayamba yaliko ze they wrote to him first.
Okay.
Bajja kukyusa ba minister ba justice nekagenda mugendo nekatula ino tutulwako gwe atakuta walito inako inazi hoteli oyinaki bwatakuta wabaki nakuloga nabaloga
yes open ino chogedde
yes how can omwana wa uhuru abato lusania lwegundi nti with all the wealth you have you engage in organic killings and external wound kati baje elevated to capital offense 28 years in prison omusajja Pakistan mu appeal ye ba omisanga ejimu implicates deeply Franka tumwebasa.
Okay, let's go ahead. Tumaze ensonga yes okay no bawulizamu
ebango ndikubye nendiwanika
yeah.
A decision must put in perspective the past, present, and the future. Help know that similar situations have resulted into. In a war, a general must decide when to attack, how to use the air power, artillery, and when the foot soldiers should advance. He must understand the enemy power and the reaction abilities. While advancing, a general must ensure that his supply lines are safe and must be mindful of landmines and sudden ambushes. Similarly, a politician must know the mood of the electorate and what they expect from a candidate. A complete candidate must understand the issues that will determine the elections. This is why they decided to dump all the political alliances like Kenya and jump on new ones in order to reinvent themselves. Like they dropped DP and joined NOB.
Yeah.
Baba Chimazo Chiba. Politics is like swimming. You cannot swim towards a storm. Kati singa nze ndi muyiso singa mbuba ina political desk singa Museveni tumukolera before elections nawandika akatabo kange what will affect Museveni zigundi nempandika akatabo kange tumwebaze n'akakwata ne munne sente mbungende nolinja batta munyi muli bakawunawo nabadde mbatire ekyankwanzi ba gulu omulambo gwe bali kusanze wali galubindi mutegeera nti mutujoze ekiyitiridde mutukonyeza ku kise 8 years of suffering. Museveni ezize kansere message ewa mbadde nja ku blowing up you were lucky musente muzijja mu government akati nkugamba nenkugamba on the other side a businessman must decide whether to bring in new commodities for Christmas or not, whether the economic situation allows the customers to buy new clothes or not. That's a businessman. That's a businessman. A general mukuboli. Money will be spent on edibles. Kati toyiza kuleta masuti.
Toyiza kuleta masuti.
Nga attention y'abaana yonna yakulya.
Yakulya mbeni.
Kakati oba musiru. And the businessman, like a war, like a chi, they are playing with the lives like a medical doctor. Yeah. Must decide whether Caesarean or not. You are running against time.
True.
Yes. Nkugamba. This is a problem in Uganda. Many businessmen interests attribute loss series, even on the big days, to poverty and Museveni. This is not true. They are failed to study the dynamics of an emerging middle class. The class does not buy according to the calendar. They buy whenever they get money and when a new fashions arrive on the market. The traditional buyers who had to buy their wives new clothes on Eid, Christmas, Easter, and other big days have given way to the middle class. Secondly, The middle class is mindful of their health because it's very expensive to fall sick. So they prefer to buy from supermarkets as opposed to ordinary markets. Even where there is strong places like Narongo's place, earlier mentioned, for the traditional meals, they do not compromise hygiene conditions. Our friend, the Uganda Cranes coach, must be a good decision maker because any blunder in decision making is fatal. The game lasts for only 90 minutes in a very tense atmosphere with the fans who have high expectations of either win or they lose. But good fans have to respect the other team as well, and this acts as a shock absorber in the case of defeat. It is such fans that return to normal life very quickly after defeat. They don't suffer heart attacks to an extent they were prepared for any outcome. They know that the other team also badly needed a win as they did and were chasing the same trophy. A good coach, therefore, like an army general, must study the enemy's area of strength and how to neutralize them. He must be very, very careful while making substitutes. A coach is a kejino. He's a businessman. You are playing with your money. Yes, you are geno. Nabagamba. In addition, the coach must understand the crucial departments of the team, like a general. In modern armies, some talented soldiers are specifically selected for suicide assignments. Names for such specialized departments differ between countries. Some countries call them special forces. In America, they are the Navy SEALs, and in Iraq, Saddam Hussein called them the Republican Guards. These can fight behind the enemy lines, rescue hostages from enemy groups, and rescue hijacked planes and other unused assignments. It is the Navy SEALs who killed Bin Laden. The attack with decisive swiftness and accuracy. I'm tempted to compare soccer stars to this army group. Soccer stars must be like special forces.
Why?
Yes, because of the assignment. Soccer stars are some people. A coach must select special forces.
Okay.
Who can fight behind the enemy?
Bagenda kola specified assignment.
Yes. Nkugamba. These stars are the commandos who can penetrate enemy defense lines and score goals from unimaginable angles. However, like in the military, not every soldier can undertake this assignment. Therefore, not every player can undertake this assignment. Uganda Cranes, in their present situation, where I wrote after Chipolopolo, lack the commandos. Uganda Cranes lack the commandos.
Uganda Cranes?
Yes.
To have a command.
You never penetrating a defense. You don't have the special forces.
Okay.
In soccer.
In soccer,
Uganda never special forces in soccer.
But Chiva Kuchi.
Anti-Baba training.
Whose role is that?
Whoever gets the ball, shoots towards the goal post without first controlling it, tease the defenders, and then shoot. Tebachina.
Bakubi.
Chibishiwana wala. Kiria.
Whose role is that to combat our training or combat our college?
And then Kugambi, the coach, a good coach, must know people who can penetrate. This can only be done by a confident and determined staff, which the Cranes currently lacks. Like in the military, identifying such a special talent is not simple. It requires a combination of bravery and intelligence. This means that these commandos can make decisions very quickly, depending on the prevailing situation. A slight delay in the decision making produces fatal results. This is what a talented striker does. I know Kubana Hamagezi. Think very quickly. What do I do in such a situation? Mbuzayo basiguzayo. Yes, Brazil were sambiranga. Ndiye kutusa ku goal nira banga tijja kutema.
Nedayima bega.
Nedayima bega ne planning. Naye nga erabe bagwina. Yes. mwina coach. Those coaches.
Coach ani amulete.
Nkubuulire ba coach balina kuyitika maje. Omuntu yenna the thing I miss in my life. I never joined the army. That's why I lack a discipline. Alina kifuniramu. Sali badde radical nga bwendi. Baali mu kalulu. Kenya baali mu kalulu. Kikwete naagwa. Mu kalulu naagwa. Tanzania nene. Nasituka mangu nayimirira. Nibaga kiki. I'm a Kano in the Tanzanian army. I'm a Kano in the Tanzanian army. But then nina okusituka nyimirire. Waliwo wano twali Kololo. Omusajja yali akoye komanda wa parade. Nga bwagira ne bamusindikira abantu nga bana. Bamugyewo. Egindi Southern Sudan olw'omusana bagwa ne baggwawo. Omusajja yalemerawo. How can you follow down in front of the commander in chief? Of the commander in chief. Yalemerawo. Naguma. Era ffe mu Baganda batugamba ti akasajja kali Muteesa kamuvuma n'akabwayo mu kigwo n'akawa essajja eddene bweriti sajja ne likanyiga ko kye kakola tebayina ndaweya kati ko kye kakola nga nekegaziya kati abantu ne balaba obwerere bwako lino essajja bali kabulunzi kabe tebekegaziya abantu baseka nilirakise kamukuba wansi nekadduka nekeyanza mu maaso ga kabaka nekavuga Ssaabasajja Kabaka omusajja mpe mudde nankola bwati naye bwente kulemerako nga waliwo omulabi ate emize jadda kkado kinkubidde obulenzi buno bya nembubetenta wali yali nsaba tukumbewombe ensonga ya soccer tudde ku points endala role of luck in soccer and to many people luck is but just a myth. In our daily lives, we talk about luck, omukisa. I normally hear people talk about omukisa. Some even consult which doctors for it. The Baganda have a saying that omukisa mpewo nebogala okuyingira. Meaning luck is like air. It find its way even to close the door. The same Baganda say that omukisa gujja lumu. Chance comes to once in one uzi. If you do not take advantage of it, you lose forever. Yes, the English saying, luck is for the prepared. Interestingly, soccer rotates around omukisa. A Nigerian novel writer illustrated this by saying that one moves with his God inche, provided with luck. In case you don't move with your personal God, you lose also a misfortune. On the military side, Napoleon used to choose his commanders on the basis of their luck. Before he would entrust a general with an assignment, he would consider his previous performance, especially in deadly battles. Businessmen and politicians look for Mr. Luck. An opponent can die at the peak of an election or can be disqualified for lack of academic papers. A constituency can be divided, giving each his own area. A lucky soccer team can take advantage of confusion in the opponent's luck. Rwanda can place it in a good group where there is no stiff competition. This is how teams like Kenya, Rwanda, Nigeria, Niger, and Angola, all of that Uganda beats in the FIFA and the CAF rankings are more regular in African finals.
Because of luck?
Luck. Bagenda mu bibinja. N'omukisa kugenderako. Okay. Ne kocha abeera ne luck. Mugamba buli kibayita omukisa. Guli musajja musiraamu. Okimanyi nti waliwo omukinja ajasala ente erimu akawowo n'etaliimu.
Kituufu.
Tekiriyo.
Gye kiri. Ne
baga nti eyasaze omukono gwe temuliimu. Si binzaali. No.
Kiveeri.
Waliwo omuntu alina olusu ng'omutegeererawo. Wano gundi yayiseewo. Nga ne bwekuba perfume.
Ng'omanya kasigalawo nti gundi.
So ne luck bweri. Some of us we are born lucky.
Okay.
However, a good soccer coach does not have his team's chances on other teams. I normally hear football analysts saying, if such a team defeats the other, we shall go through. A good coach does not put his hopes on the misfortune of other teams. A good team should be in a position to face an opponent, more so a giant one in the competition. This is what Cape Verde, a country with a 500,000 population, did to Cameroon, an international soccer giant. Another important factor is to distinguish between a battle and war. Politicians must understand that pulling large crowds does not indicate victory. What if those large crowds comprise of voters from outside the constituency? What if they are underage and therefore not eligible for voting? What is important is how of those who are ready to go to the polling station and vote. Likewise, in business, having many customers does not indicate profit. They could demand quality facilities which they would not pay. They could be thieves waiting to take advantage of this large group in the shop. Ask any bar owner, the more patrons crowd it, the more its survival as a business is numbered. These large crowds chase away would be real customers who want a peaceful environment. Likewise, in soccer, some group support is just psychological. We have seen countries hosting the World Cup or any big soccer competition, but they failed to lift the trophy. We have seen hosts who do not advance to the second stage. Home ground support is comparable to cosmetics, which enhance first appearance of beautiful ladies, not every woman. A well-stocked school library does not reflect good grades unless the students read the books, and also these books should be relevant. In motoring, acquiring the most expensive car does not guarantee victory, just as being very vast with the roots does not ensure it. Victory in motoring is a combination of many factors. A good car, good knowledge of the roots are all just add the advantages. In armed conflicts, one can lose the battle but win the war. Friendly matches, whether in a war or soccer, help the manager to test his team. Remember, a military maneuver doesn't in many cases involve live ammunition. However, it helps to become used to war situations and conditions. The problem with the friendly games is that there is no prize. The whole thing is artificial and psychological and gives little results. Who can risk his leg in a friendly game? Human nature is driven and motivated by the high prize. My assessment of the performance of the Uganda Cranes is summarized as follows. Any team can be defeated whether before a home crowd or away. African teams transfer their witchcraft to football instead of training. In many African countries, witch doctors masquerade as team officials and occupy big positions on the delegation. Why haven't any African team lifted the World Cup, even when it was staged in Africa? Football is a scientific game. It cannot be based on witchcraft. Number two, there is no need for a technical committee to look into the needs of Uganda Cranes. There is a need for a technical committee to look into the needs of Uganda Cranes. Number three, we should understand that other teams like ourselves are looking for the top prize. They have the same pressure like we do. Number nine, we must be mindful of betting companies. Those sole aim is maximizing profits. These are monsters who can take advantage of the poor media practitioners and our players who are sailing in the same boat, who are poor. Number five, having lost in other areas, the national political opposition wants to infiltrate football. This is why they want changes in the FIFA to install their own and use it against the government. If our opposition politicians are soccer fans, why couldn't they demand more funding for sports? They are parliamentarians, those who are MPs. No, sino balimu. Bajja kuwamba buwambi kuonona. Ulindwa n'agenda. Kabushenga bateeka ono bobuvuka ba red paper. Friends of the Quran. Nayo natya mulindwa mukatuliki. Nakati abakatuliki babiri. Kitaka namugatta nakalema abo. Kasibya abaana bo wekwese kitaka yafalwa nakalema. Omusajja omukulu yali tayinza kukkiriza. Tinte za Museveni zafudde nga aziwadde eddagala efu. Kabushenga ojja kusasula. Nakalema ojja kusasula. Omuntu w'okwera Lawrence Mulindwa. Bwamukuba nekatwala entwe yako ku kisaawe kya Mulindwa ako kaka. Bireyo ennyondo. Waffe temuyinza kulinnya. nyaba alwadde temumwadde yadde ekikumi nga ndaba omukyere gwa State House tubakuba ntubattirayo. Do you celebrate? Muzza kuseka. Have you ever given him? The only NRM person who visited my mother is Lumumba.
Okay.
Lumumba yekka.
Yalinyayo ko kumata.
Mbalabayo. Nemulinyayo waffe tubakuba ntubattira n'emmotoka ntuzoocha. Alijja okuziika ewaffe ajja kugira mu private car.
So si bya government.
Sitoka kubona hiyo namba ya serikali.
Okay.
In many countries, anger is always meted out. Who is financing these breakaway factions? Bakolayo n'omupiira omulala. Ne bateekawo omupiira omulala okutta guno. Essentini wabula bwe kibakubye omutwe ne bakyasa. Nebiteekawo gondi endala. Nebiteekawo bikoya abazanyi. Bikole bitya? Masaza semanyi biki. Waliwo ebyateekawo ekikopo ekirala. Era bitekureni. Biri essenti. Wabula wantu wali bafaanizi. Zambia bane babyasa emitwe bye bibbi. Bane bidduka. Nkugamba. Who is financing these breakaway factions in FUFA? The intelligence agencies should find it. Those who are agitating for changes in FUFA are not new faces. We have stumbled on those same names in the political battles elsewhere. In many countries, anger is always meted out against the coach because he's the expert. Unless he tells us, this coach, after Chipolopolo, unless the coach tells us that he has been failed by FUFA, he takes responsibility because he was acquired for this expert knowledge. In every matches, every competition, the coaches go. Uganda step put. Step put. A coach must go. Taliye kama gogo.
Alinani.
FUFA is a body.
Who heads it?
That's why you make mistakes by reducing everything to Museveni. Even a king has a prime minister.
But ye mwenyini yabyekolera ngomu.
Atia mu designing. Why do I be a rubber stamp? This is what I'm telling Miyingo. Miyingo design.
So abali mu FUFA bali designing.
If you are being used by rubber stamps, why am I there?
Basobola nga wali yakawogo.
Nkugamba. Why is it that the opposition MPs, who are very known for their services, guns for hire, the numbers as we are frequenting the soccer matches, are the ones leading this crusade against the FUFA leadership? I smell a rat and a rotten one because I followed these MPs and know very well that they are always guns for hire. When you see them raising their voices over any matter, be very afraid and take a precaution. In conclusion, our soccer problem is not Lawrence Mulindwa, and his removal will not help Uganda Cranes. We shall end up turning FUFA into another political party under the armpit of the opposition. Has the removal of Bonita helped me? This is why this man bought that vehicle form.
So now let's put it there, Magogo, not Lawrence Mulindwa.
Hey.
Instead of Lawrence Mulindwa.
To the moment you don't solve you fall to Kayigula. Ever since Kayigula left, do you have peace?
Police ere kyalinga we yali.
Yes. Nambagamba nti bodi ebigere byonga bye biwunya. Nojja mu sitokisi era bagoba ku tebe ekivundu
olina. Stokisi baziwunya biba bigere.
Yes. The problem is not Museveni. Museveni gives you money. Like here when I analyze your newspapers. I laugh at you. This, you see, nabagamba, nti bano abali mu government, tebamanyi bupapula bwona. Kati ona akugamba, baagala okugamba, ti ekiteeso ekiri mu parliament kya muhoozi.
Awo tujja, ensonga gye tuddako.
Yes, kakati okitegedde, nti ajjeeyo, ebyali mu ddiru ye Lwakitula, eby'eddolo mu 35 years ago, mbw abanyankola abayima baatuula nti power must rotate. Nakugamba, emigeri Museveni, engeri aba Museveni gye bamaze emyaka 10 nga beetegekera okukyusa ennonda ya president. Museveni tabirimu.
So bagamba proposal related
ono omulenzi, I can tell you.
Okay.
Why are they panicking? Baali bayitanyira mu musango guno nga balowooza nti bagenda kubagula. Mwenda n'ababba. Sente singa obwengi Mwenda yazibba. Yagenda mu Bakyayina n'agenda Oman sente n'azibba nga babyeta ebyawano. Ne bagola ba lawyer $30 million. Abasajja ne bakigwamu ne bagoba pano yonna ne baloya baabwe ne babagoba ne baleeta abalala kakati nga bayimiridde ku kintu kimu ti this young man so to that I'm humiliated ne bategeka ekyankwanza ne ngamba kangende mu ngende naye nali njagenda naye nali eddame lyange lyali liwedde nali njakolanda gomutenzo famire ya mirundi tejogeba kwa bwali bujja kujja nakono katonzi kwa jimbo blowing kakati bwe bamala okuvayo ne bategeera mbunze I should retract my recordings njogere to apologize to aboga ndi tumwebaza nengana centers blocking is a president mugende kyekubiza n'otuuka woli kakati bwe bategeera nti bali abasajja babazinzeeko tumwebaza was supposed to go on the third ne beekwasa covid na buno obupya Museveni n'akola liberalization nga tumwebaza yino okugenda kati babeera disparate kwe kusalawo baleete ebyo mu parliament bayaabwe I can embarrass the speaker, I can embarrass the chief justice, I can embarrass everybody. The process of removing the Kadaka. Somebody look at you say, I have my project. How can you have a project in the country?
In the country.
I have my reforms. How can you have Bob Tambi but the videos? I can check this country.
Personal reforms was it Mugwangi Damba?
Kadaka again. He cannot win among you.
Okay.
This young man knows when he abuses Easterners, those ones are fools. I can only deal with the Northerners. Baganda can only help me to get money. The Banyankole hate him much. In fact, the Banyankole brought to 5 cows to me. The Banga to body the Wagenda.
Nothing to gain.
To gain day. Now they come Omrizona to Tenya Mataga Payala Mule Bay, sitting in to sitting in Mecca at Nigirizanyu. Where are you going to get votes? If we abuse every man on the village and the woman, we are going to marry. They cannot allow you to take a wali. But in the process of removing people like Kadaga, humiliating Kadaga, Kadaga must go. Nagundi, 5 billion. Must take on Kadaga, Bay and Nako. Never to Zang and Wakategin. I told you Kategin. All the meeting, Nazimukubi. Ngakati Musaja way of Ejotira, or you chairman. Namukubi sim, Namugamba, Bakweza kumpi billion number Musule Castle. Nekasolo Nimuit, Nimgalavichi Wakukola.
Casoro Sango Beg.
Sango Beg indeed, but related to Matama book. I'm going to challenge Matama book. Akasaja
Tova question.
Mwema ze daye wa.
Kafanyeko ndamazi tukomiti.
Mwema ze boboni musajja daye wa.
Anikatono nyo
We can allow you to say Sango Becho muchibi.